people. So right now I'm doing nothing but sitting on the couch, and my sister just flipped a piece of paper.
Stop filming.
So yeah, I'm about to eat dinner soon, so yeah, I'm gonna go into my room and not do much. Okay, here's my bed. Awesome music. Off the stereo. Sorry. Okay, what should I do? Wait, let's check on the weather outside. Okay, my dad's shoveling. So yeah. Hey! Hey! La di do di da. Don't know. Sorry. Okay, this is the end of the video. Fire truck out.